You are likely sitting down right now. We interact with chairs dozens of times a day, yet we rarely consider the lineage of the object supporting us. If we want to find the very first engineers of the chair and the physical evidence they left behind, we have to look past the furniture in our own homes. To locate the earliest known chairs, dating back to roughly 2600 BC, we have to go deep underground. This everyday object began as an elite artifact, specifically designed to solve a problem of eternity. Finding these origins meant excavating through layers of rock and sand in royal Egyptian burial sites. Breaking into a sealed chamber reveals a dense accumulation of artifacts known as funerary goods, a collection of gilded beds, chests, and statues. Within the context of the tomb, these items functioned as logistical supplies. They were the practical equipment required to maintain a king's lifestyle in the next world. These chairs were placed here for a specific supernatural purpose, to guarantee the physical comfort of a ruler long after their death. The primary evidence is this grand royal throne, a massive structure of wood encased in precious metals. Its construction reveals a focus on physical relief, including the introduction of soft, padded seating that was highly unusual for the era. Looking at the chair's base, we see legs carved into biological shapes, ending in lion paws. While symbolically transferring the animal's vitality to the king, they also functioned as stable, load-bearing pillars, distributing the sitter's weight. This throne marks one of the earliest records of craftsmen successfully aligning theological symbols with the practical requirements of weight and balance. Resting near these massive thrones is a piece of furniture that looks surprisingly modern. This folding stool utilizes an X-frame design, yet it shares the same animal-themed feet as the larger ceremonial chairs. The stool relies on kinematic engineering. The X-frame pivots on a central point, using cross-bracing to create the tension necessary to support a person's weight without buckling. This engineered portability allowed commanders to carry reliable seating to battlefields or remote construction sites. While the throne addressed the need for eternal luxury, the folding stool solved the complex physics of collapsible weight distribution. Moving 4,600 years forward, we leave the subterranean tombs behind and rapidly return to the present day. The dimensions and joints found in these ancient pieces align almost perfectly with modern furniture standards. They demonstrate that the core mechanics of a stable chair were established nearly 5 millennia ago. The padded royal throne set the expectation for ergonomic comfort that persists in every office chair and sofa we use today. Even the folding stool found in the tomb uses the exact same mechanical logic as the camp chairs we still mass-produce. We often think of history as a series of constant improvements, but Egyptian designers arrived at a solution so stable it hasn't needed to change. Every time we sit down, we rest in the shadow of the past, supported by a design perfected over 4,000 years ago.